this is a societal problem. It is not a problem for any single entity. It is a societal problem. It's not a problem for the police. So we are calling upon you, please dedicate some time to this campaign against gender-based violence. Dedicate some space, even in your newspapers, against this gender-based violence. And when you do your reporting, we are requesting that you do your reporting in a certain way that will not really traumatize people.
It is not enough to do conferences. It is not enough to give statements. What we want now is action taken. We want to see perpetrators brought into books, and we want to see a whole approach to this thing, because it's not about women, it's not about girls, it's not about leaders. It's a societal problem that we all need to come together and address it.
As we have agreed that this is purely murder, this is criminal cases that are not going to be acceptable in our society, and crime is a crime. From where we sit as the National Police Service, the many cases that we've been reported, there are over 90 cases that have been reported, are actively under investigation. And you've seen it, even 2 days ago, we arrested the suspects that we believe were associated with the Eastleigh